To program a key fob for your 1999 Chevy Silverado, you'll first need to enter program mode. Start by ensuring all doors are closed. Insert your ignition key and turn it to the on position. Accessories on, but engine not running. Within 5 seconds of turning the key, press the lock button on the driver's side door switch, not the fob itself. This should initiate programming mode indicated by the vehicle's lock cycling, typically an unlock-lock sequence. Timing is crucial. If the locks don't cycle, retry the process from the beginning. Once in program mode, immediately pair your key fob. Within 10 to 15 seconds of the lock cycling, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. The locks should cycle again to confirm the pairing. If you have additional fobs, repeat this step for each, up to a maximum of 4. Exit programming mode by turning the ignition off. To verify the programming, test the fob by locking and unlocking the doors from a distance of 20 to 30 feet. If it fails, recycle the ignition and repeat the pairing process. Remember, precise timing is key to successful programming.